A Justice Department lawyer said in federal court today that the House can impeach a president over ignored subpoenas. Asked by a federal judge what the House can do to enforce its subpoenas, Justice Department lawyer James Burnham said, without hesitation, that the House can use its impeachment powers, among other options, like withholding appropriations. Why this matters, the comment is essentially the opposite of what President Trump's lawyers are arguing at his Senate trial, over abuse of power and obstructing Congress for ordering his aides to defy subpoenas. DeVee said the obstruction charge is preposterous, because Trump was lawfully protecting the executive branch in a dispute with Congress over documents and testimony. In response to Burnham's suggestion about impeachment, federal Judge Randolph Moss responded, "That is really not a great state of affairs for this country, if the House should impeach the president over every subpoena that his administration ignores." Some context: the topic came up in court hearing about the 2020 census. The House Oversight Committee sued the Justice Department and Commerce Department in November, asking a judge to enforce its subpoenas for documents. The case revolves around the controversial and ultimately unsuccessful attempt by the Trump administration to add a citizenship question to the census. Even though the case isn't about impeachment, the judge's actions could influence other impeachment-related cases. Throughout the impeachment inquiry, Trump's lawyers urged senators to acquit Trump on the obstruction charge, which House Democrats approved after Trump told senior aides not to testify, including those with first-hand knowledge in the Ukraine affair. He also directed his administration, including the State Department and Pentagon, not to hand over subpoenas documents. Mere assertion of a privilege or objection in a legitimate interbranch dispute is a constitutional prerogative, Trump lawyer Robert Ray said Monday. It should never result in an impeachable offense for abuse of power or obstruction of Congress.